Hey everyone, this is St. Create the Heart, and I'm back with a card making video. So we're going to make a card, and we're going to be using some fun things. I don't think we're going to be using the lemonade stand. I think we're just going to be using these two. We're going to be using the Spellbinders Thankful Tractor, and this one, which is Picture Perfect Autumn. And I had gotten this one in a clearance, and I think this is the first time that I've actually used this one. And then we're also going to be using this, which is new to me. It's the Stamp and Die Highland Cows. I also have the stencil. I want to see, I have a couple of them where I bought the stencils, and I'm kind of on the fence about the stencils because I feel like it was kind of nice, but I also thought it was fine to color them. I don't know. I guess I'm not completely sold on the necessity of it because the images are very small and easy to cut. But I felt like the stencils, like lining them up and doing the stencils and moving the stencils to do all the pieces, took just as long as coloring. So I guess it's good if you're not a confident colorist, maybe. But like if you want to have different sort of shades to your cows, or not have all your cows be the same color, you do need to have different inks. I don't know. I was just kind of like, eh. So I'm not completely sold on it. I'll just say that. Okay, so I am getting interrupted a lot. So this one, what I did was I just used my, I think it's a My Favorite Things grass stencil. I did a cloud stencil. It was super, super easy. And I think that goes to something else, to be honest. I think I'm going to do this. Okay. I think that goes to something else. All right. That. Okay, and then I think I'm going to put a little crown on this guy. Okay, thank you. Really easy, super, super easy. I heard it's your birthday. Okay, so now this one. So for this one, I did a slim line and just kind of pieced. They're from two different papers, but not worried about it. I don't think you're going to be able to tell too much once everything is down. But this paper is from Lowland Crafts. I think it's their countryside or something like that. They have quite a few scene papers, I would call them. Pick and Fence Studios is another one that has some scenes that I really like. I think they're fun, really easy way to make a card. Okay, so I got this guy. And the tractor. So I'm thinking about going ahead and propping this one up. And I think I'm going to do that. It's hard because of these little pieces, but I'm just not going to prop that part up. I'm just going to prop up the wheels and... So this is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to worry about propping that part up. And Okay. I think he's gonna be down here. Okay. This guy is gonna be like right here. And then this guy, I went ahead and I just put the cow in there. And let's go ahead and get this guy on there. Sometimes I'm not exactly sure like what I'm gonna do until I do it. That makes sense. I don't know if everybody else is a fly by the seat of your pants kind of crafter, but I've been crafting a long time, so I just go for it. I think my cards come out cute. Okay. Now, there is a before I put this down, I've got this little piece that's going to connect the tractor to so like that. And deciding, yeah, swim here, like he's riding on top of it. Okay, and then I heard it's your birthday. Oops. Let's do this glue first. Cloud. All right. Cute, kind of fun, a little whimsical. Okay, this one is an interesting one. So, it's going to be worked like this. So it's going to be worked like this. Okay, so it's like a little puzzle, this one. And the back of the Spellbinders packaging does give you some good ideas on how it should look, but there is a little bit of winging to it. Okay. And kind of like that. That's what I'm going to do. Because it's going to get covered up a little bit, so it's not like going to be a big deal that it's not quite like lined up or whatever. Okay, now we have this situation. It's very okay, like that, and like this. So you kind of just play around with that, but I'm just gonna, like I said, I wing it because it's gonna come out. And, you know, you could be more exact if you would like, but I am covering a lot of this up. Yeah, I think it goes this way. And I'll cut this piece off. Okay, so this is going to fit like here, okay? And then, I almost forgot this piece. I'm gonna try to fit this piece in. This is my sun, which is going to fit there. That, okay. This is where the house is going to be. This really cool tree is going to go right here, right at the edge of that. So it just has these kind of cool pieces that you can kind of decide where you want it to go, but that's what I mean by like it's going to cover a lot. It's going to go like right here. Okay, now I've got these guys. So one here and one here. And then I've got this one here. So I'm actually going to kind of put it like that. So that's what I'm going to do with this. So I'm going to put my barn down. Okay, that. Okay, then I've got these flowers. Right here. And then I've got the leaves, which I'm going to kind of just tuck various places. And this last one. Okay, there we got that. We got one more. I'll just put mine down here at the bottom. And we are almost done with this card. So I tried to do different things with my cards so they all don't look like the same. I guess that makes sense. And this one, I forgot to do a sentiment, I think, which is fine. I'll find a way to put a sentiment somewhere. And decide, I think I'll do it like this. And all right. almost done. And there we go. Now we've got a couple of flowers I'm going to put in. I think I'll put a crown on him. Definitely could put a sentiment somewhere, but I don't know why I didn't. I must have forgotten to do it with this one. Okay, no worries. So now I'm going to cut everything. All right. Oh, one more flower. There we go. All right, ready? Boom. There's this guy. And heard it's your birthday. And happy birthday to Moo. So you can see how you can use other things that you have that you maybe wouldn't think about using with your different stamps to make completely different types of little scenes, like sneaking in little cows. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Sandy Create the Heart.